Hi, this is AI chatbot, semantic search engine. On the screen, you see inference pipeline. And the question also, you see a question as well here, evaluate this company. And below this, there is a neat and clean answer. This answer is augmented by AI. AI took the information from context and citations and it augmented the answer. So basically, to make this happen, we need two pipelines, the inference pipeline and ingestion pipeline. So in the ingestion pipeline, we ingest the document and we do the process, but let me take a step back and explain you. Basically, in keyword search, we do in a traditional keyword search, we put a question and that question is matched against the backend for exact matching of the word. But in case of semantic search, you can just write anything, whatever you want, and bring out the meaningful or matching answer to it. So you just write something related to this company. Not necessarily it matches exact text against the backend, but still we want to generate pull the answer, right? How does that happen? So now let's take an example of uploading a PDF document. Now, yeah, I have a PDF document. Now, for me to put this document in the backend and make the searching happen, now what we will do is that we will chunk this document into small portions, small JSON files or text files. We call them chunks. And the way we chunk, there are different strategies. We call them chunking strategy. Now, how do we do that chunking strategy is based upon the target use case. I mean, the target results we want to show. If you want to show a plain text answers, we do a chunking strategy. But if you want to show a report like, from from to date to from date, if you want to generate a report, or if you want to show that kind of results, then you do a different chunking strategy. So basically what kind of results we want to show up to the target audience, and we select the chunking strategy that way. Now, yeah, let's do the chunking. Yeah, now there are two chunks ready for the embedding. Now, once we got the chunking, we made the large PDF into manageable small chunks. So now once we do this chunking, now the next step is we create a embedding. So in semantic search, there is a little bit of math involved here. So now embedding means basically we create a vector for that chunk. So you have a PDF, you converted the PDFs into small chunks, and each chunk will have a vector. Let's generate a vector, a matching vector. So a vector has an association with the chunk. Now the embeddings are generated. Let's see the embeddings, right? Now, example you can see here. So here is the text and there is chunking as well. And this is the chunking investment, the investment policy chunk, the one we uploaded, and it has embeddings here, the vectors. So when we put the question in the inference engine, this evaluate this company, this question is converted as a vector, and this vector is searched against all the vectors in the vector store. Now how do we make the search happen? There are different kind of things we do here, either cosine similarity or Euclidean distance, and we do a lot of data science here to build up this answer. So you, to avoid the hallucinations, to make the response very precise to the question, so we have to do a lot of things like this. You can rewrite the question, rewriters, re-rankers, hybrid search, a little bit of data science involved, and using all these things we can construct this answer. So the magic here is like that, this kind, the same answer we can construct for different users. For an engineer, you can make the same text showing as a troubleshooting. For an analyst, in a different way. So you can build experience for your target audience, for the target use case, you know saving the time and bringing efficiency. Thank you.